What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And welcome back to another new episode of the Sneaker Invest episode and what we sold on eBay. So we got a bunch of orders on eBay today. So I was so like, whew, wow, we got a lot of orders to go through. But I'm happy. We got a lot of orders. We got our investment coming in. And since this lockdown, a lot of orders and a lot of buyers are buying online. So, well, I'll take it all the time. But anyway, I'm gonna show you the process. Now I'm pulling out of the shelves, and also how much the profit I made, how much I made, how much I bought them, how much the return of investment, and also I might gonna throw in some tips and tricks along the way. So without further ado, let's go. So starting off, what we sold on eBay, we got the 2019 Nike Air Jordan 4 Retro SE, the FIBA colorway, and it should be somewhere around here. Look at that SB, nice color. But this is the one that we sold on eBay. So looks like we already got last two pair. Check this out. Boom. I've been selling this one really good since the Jordan documentary, The Last Dance, and I have to raise up a little bit the price, and still someone's still buying. But anyway, check out this color, really vibrant. I already got me this one in the collection, and I sold this for $156.75 plus shipping, and they had to pay like $13 shipping cost. Not bad for the price. And I bought this one $139 minus 30% off. That one is really good profit out there, somewhere 30 to 40% return of investment. So next one, we are looking for the Legend 7 soccer cleats. So we got a bunch, still got a bunch of soccer cleats here. Well, we're just gonna wait. Looking for the size 10. Go on here. There you go. So we got the Legend 7 Elite Firm Ground, and check out how much the retail cost. $230 for a soccer cleats. Holy. And not bad for the quality though. I'm not a soccer dude, but hey. So I sold this one for $99.99. I did a auction on this one, and they have to pay also the shipping, $870. Well, not bad for that one. Just want to make my money back, reinvest into something else. And moving on to the Nike Uptempo 720. Should be somewhere around here. Okay, we got the last pair. Boom. So we are looking into the Nike Air More Uptempo 720 QS2. Retail is $200, and I sold them for $140. Actually, I've been running some promotion. I was selling them for $155. Did the promotion of 5% discount, so I sold them for $140. Pre-shipping. So I got me already one in the collection. I really like it. It's a little bit chunky, but I like the engraved some kind of Air Max here, and look at the huge bubble of Air Maxes of 720. Love it. And also love also the profit. So next one, we are looking for Nike Air Max 2017. Okay, here you got it right here. We got actually 3 left, a 9.5 and one size 8. So here we go. This is the Nike Air Max 2017 men's running shoes, Deep Royale, and check out the retail is $190. And how much did I bought them? $59.97, additional 30% off, so I sold them somewhere around $112. Free shipping, also have running also a 5% discount. Well, $54.97, and then I sold it for $112. Free shipping. Hey, it's almost like 100% return of investment. Actually, how much? There I go. 51. Okay, not bad for that one. So another one, we are looking for Nike Air Vapor Max 2019. Should be somewhere around here. Okay, here we go. And I'm looking for the size 12. It's right here. Nice color on this one. So what do you think? Can you please leave a like? And this one is the Air Vapor Max 2019. Retail is $190. Bought them for $89.97, additional 30% off. And how much did I sold them? I sold them for $115, and then I have to pay for the shipping. Nice color though. And you know me, I like Vapor Maxes, Air Maxes, any kind of technology regarding Air Maxes. Oh, looking into the sales, actually I sold 2 of the Air Max 2017 size 9. I thought I only sold 1, but actually I sold 2 of this one, so here we go. And also we also sold some miscellaneous like clothing. And check this one. This one is some kind of short-ish thingy. Retail on this one is $32. Ooh, bought them $49.97, additional 30, and actually I sold them for $11.50 plus shipping. So hey, almost 100% return of investment on that one. Not bad. So sometimes you don't have to keep just buying sneakers. Sometimes, hey, look at the clothing, you could find something, some jewel in there. And also we have another jewel here. Is some kind of shirt-ish with something that the football that they have to use it, or some kind. As you can see, there is a football written in there. And how much is the buy cost? The buy cost on this one is $497, another $497 with 30% off. And you won't believe that I sold them for $24.37, free shipping. Boom, more than 200% return of investment. Hey, another jewel right there. Just look into a good ones. So we got also what we sold on eBay here. So this one is brand new. I think I did bought this like a couple weeks ago. We got the Nike Air Max 90 SP reverse duck camo, and should be right here. And this one I bought it for retail, the camo size 11, infrared and black. So here you go. Wow, I'm still kind of amazed on this one. I was tempted to keep them, but hey, I put on really high price just in case if someone bought it and that price, I'll let it go. If not, then I'm keeping it because it is nice. The camo, it's infrared. It's like vape colorway ish thingy, but I sold them for $269.85, and they have to pay for the shipping. So that's a lot because I bought them for $140, sold them for $269.85. Hey, I'm gonna let it go. But hey, this is the tip that you might be encountering when you sell this one on eBay. I'm gonna do some kind of video while packing them, put them in the box, and also when I'm go to the post office, I'm gonna take a picture, take a video, and also I'm gonna ask the one that working in there to scan it, so that I'm just making sure, and also put on some kind of confirmation. I would say I'm gonna add $5 confirmation receipt of acceptance of when they receive it, just in case, because this is a worth a little bit high price. I would rather take a loss of $5 than take a loss for the whole amount. You get it? So that is the one that I'm gonna go through, but I'm still thinking if I'm gonna let it go on eBay or I'm gonna let it go on GOAT, because especially eBay, they will, for even though you put no returns, they will force you to return it, and especially this is a high price, they might gonna switch it. So I still have time if I wanna cancel this order, because I'm still thinking if I really wanna go with it because it is a high price, or I'm just gonna let it go on GOAT. But the size 11 is not a lot of reseller on eBay. That's why check that other reseller, they had more price, and they have expensive price. So I believe that's why the buyer bought it from me, because I have the cheaper price on eBay. So let's see, I will double check. Okay, moving on, we are going to get the Nike Air Vapor Max, another Vapor Max. It should be somewhere around here. Okay, here we go. We got the Nike Air Vapor Max Flyknit Utility. The retail on this one is $225. Can you believe that one? And to my surprise, I bought this one also for cost 56. Boom! I was lucky when I grabbed this one. During the process when I was on the outlet, I knew it's gonna be a good one. I didn't have that much I didn't go with the process that I had to check the comms, because I knew it's gonna be expensive. And I asked the one who works in there, who is assigned to that aisle, and I asked him, is that a correct price? Is that an error? He said no, that's the correct price. I believe it was $79.99 with additional 30 or 20%, but actually it came down to $56, and I sold them for $151. Boom! And also I have to pay for the shipping though. No, I was running a promotion, $159, and then after 5%, it's like $143.53 plus free shipping, and then minus the PayPal fees. So what do you think about this one? Got a nice bag though. Moving on, we got the Nike J Crew standard. We are looking for the size 13. Here we go. Size 13. Okay, so we have here the Killshot 2 leather, a pretty simple J Crew collaboration with Nike. This is the Midnight Navy, gum bottom, size 13. I sold it for $107.22. I believe I bought this for $49.99 with additional 30%, so somewhere 41-ish. So not bad for the price. I did like 100% return on investment of this very simple, but hey, it was high back then. You can able to buy them even though they restock, they always get sold out. But I got them on the outlet, take them even though that much of the discount, so I'll take it. And also when I saw this one on the outlet, no one's buying. Like, hey, this one is some kind of hype way back before, and I don't know, buyers don't mind check them out, so I scooped a lot of it, like a lot of it. So next one, looking for the Adidas Ultra Boost Mid. Here we go, should be right here. Okay, here we go. They got the Ultra Boost Mid, and this one is a nice good running shoe, with especially with the color, some kind of grayish with some sort of different color on the sole. Check that out. But the lacing is not bad also, and nice color. And how much did I bought this one? I bought this on Marshall for $69.99. I'm making a little bit, not much, but I sold them for $69.49 plus shipping. So hey, take it. Move on to a different investment. So we are looking to Nike Sunfly Flyknit women's running shoes. We got the size 9.5. Okay, here we go. Okay, looks like we got the last pair. Size 9. Hey. Okay, you got the retail here of the Nike Sunfly Flyknit, 160. If not mistaken, I bought this. So I bought this one for $39.99 with additional 20% way back then. So no one is buying them also. But I did focus only for size 8 and size 9 just in case a lot of buyers, because they had a lot of stock on this one. So I couldn't buy them all because I'm only just one way back on that time. I don't have a family with me. But anyway, so don't have to buy them all. I have to focus on one size or two size to make it at least 10 of item, because we have 10 limit. So I have 5 8 5 9s, and this is the last pair. That's why one tip that I'm always like, another tip is that there's a 10 limit on Nike factory store. If there's a multiple item that you wanna buy on one size, like they have also a multiple sizes, focus on just one size or two size. Buy the whole. If you want to focus on size 9, buy all the whole size 9. Why? Because you don't want to compete with the other reseller. They're gonna buy them also. So buy all the size 9 and let the other buyer buy the other sizes. So that's in case if they drop the price, if they can't sell it on what price they wanted to, then you don't have to compete with them, and you're the only one who have the size 9, and you just wanna wait for the right buyer so you can make the most of your investment. So that's the tip. Another tip for you to resell and buying on the Nike factory store. So by the way, and how much did I bought them? $39.97 with the additional 30% off, and also sold them on eBay $90 for free shipping. Actually, this one, the retail is $160, so might not bad for the buyer to keep them for $90, because I'm running also a 5% discount. So after the 5%, it is $90 fresh shipping. Okay, are you still with me? We're almost there. So looking for the another Nike Epic React Flyknit running shoes. Let me somewhere on here. We got the Nike Epic React 9 shoes. Okay, looks like we got last two pair. Here we go. We got the Nike Epic React Flyknit. So after the discount, it should be somewhere $82. Sold them for $104, and then have to pay for the shipping. So another risk that I did, because I thought I could make a lot of money on this one, but other than that, it flooded. So I said, if I won't be able to sell it, I still can keep it, but if I would take at least 10 to 15%, then I'll take it. So next one, we're almost there. Looking for the another Vapor Max 2019, and looking for the size 7.5. All right, here we go. Air Vapor Max 2019, 190 retail, bought them for $89.97, minus 30%, and then I sold them for $106.32, free shipping. Boom, look at that nice color. This one I've been selling out also real quick. But anyway, can you leave a like if you like this one? How about that one? And that's all what we sold on eBay. We got a lot of orders today. Whew. A lot of I need to go through a lot of this, put in the box, ship it today. So I hope you like this video. Please leave a thumbs up if you like it, and please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It helps the YouTube algorithm. And that being said, Nolasco here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.